Have you ever looked back and felt a pang of regret for a missed opportunity? Maybe it was a job you didn't take, a relationship you let slip away, or a dream you were too afraid to chase. That feeling of what if can be heavy, a constant whisper in the back of your mind. It's easy to get lost in the past, replaying scenarios and wishing for a second chance. But what if I told you that your story isn't over? What if those closed doors weren't the end, but a redirection? Today, I want to talk about the power of restoration. It's not about turning back the clock, because we can't. It's about believing in a future that is bigger than your past regrets. It's about having faith that even when we stumble, even when we miss a step, there's a plan to redeem that time and bring forth something even more beautiful. Think of it like a skilled artist who takes broken pieces of pottery and creates a stunning mosaic. The cracks don't disappear, they become part of a new, intricate design. Your past mistakes and missed chances can become the very foundation of your future strength and wisdom. Let's shift our perspective from loss to preparation. Perhaps that opportunity you missed wasn't truly yours to begin with. Maybe you weren't ready, or maybe something far greater was being prepared for you just around the corner. Every experience, good or bad, equips us. The lessons learned from a failure often teach us more than an easy success ever could. They build character, resilience, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and our purpose. So instead of mourning what was lost, let's start celebrating the person you're becoming because of it. Now, I invite you to join me in a moment of prayer. Let's speak this into existence together. Let this not just be my words, but a heartfelt cry from your own spirit. Dear God, I come before you today with a heart that carries the weight of past regrets and missed opportunities. I lay down the what-ifs and the should-haves at your feet. I release the burden of trying to rewrite history and choose to trust in your infinite wisdom and your perfect timing. Lord, I ask for your divine restoration. Where I see endings, I pray you reveal new beginnings. Where I feel loss, I ask you to fill that space with your peace and purpose. I pray that you would redeem the time that feels wasted. Take the lessons from my past, the wisdom gained through hardship, and use them to prepare me for the incredible future you have planned. Open my eyes to the new doors you are opening. Give me the courage to walk through them with confidence, knowing that you are guiding my steps. Replace my feelings of inadequacy with the assurance that I am equipped and ready for what lies ahead. I declare that my best days are not behind me, but are in front of me. I believe that you can create opportunities that are even greater than the ones I thought I lost. Thank you for your endless grace and for the promise of a future filled with hope. Amen. Remember, your journey is unique, and it's far from over. What felt like a setback might just be the setup for your greatest comeback. Keep your heart open, your faith strong, and your eyes fixed on the horizon. New opportunities are on their way. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'd love to hear your story in the comments below. Until next time, stay blessed.